So here we are, day, week, whatever, 2, putting car back together. Anyway, like you saw in the last video, it's all torn apart still. Well, now the shifter is reinstalled. Hopefully that works good. Now I just gotta put the plate back down, roll the carpet in, throw the seats in, and we should be good. Wanna see how fast I can put them in? All right, so now the time to put this interior back together. It should be in right about, boom! Wanna see me do it again? We'll do it again in slow motion. Watch this. It moves. Carburetor probably cooled off. This thing's nice.
Better than it was?
So far it feels good. I haven't had any hangups yet, but I've literally put less than a mile on it.
Yeah.
I just went down the road and turned around quick.
Getting a lot of sun glare.
Yeah, I'm gonna change it in a second.
Seems like it's shifting good.
Yeah, it's a lot tighter than it was. Yeah, I'm just cruising at 55. Sounds good.
Went into third. Did it hang up?
No. No, it's good. We're in fourth.
You can see the ground.
Yeah, you can. I don't have the boot on it. Do you feel any vibrations in the car?
A little bit. Real mild though.
Just out burning some gas. I don't know what we were shifting out at. I was just listening to it. I was not looking.
I was trying to get it as best as I could, but I think I was moving around a little bit.
If I had to guess, I was somewhere around $5 grand.
I don't know how good that footage is going to be, unfortunately. Well, if anything, you got the noise and everything. And me going like this and the camera moving.
How's the vitals? Good?
Yeah, they're fine. 190, 40 pounds oil pressure.
Yeah, so I think we may have fixed the shifter. Only time will tell though. I gotta put some miles on it. But before, I was so paranoid to shift into third from second. It was just not fun to drive the car. And that back there was definitely fun. I should have warned Chris that I was coming. It's kind of a spur of the moment thing though.
Yeah, I was kind of wondering.
I did not plan that out. I just saw it as a good opportunity.
Well, I felt it going sideways and I thought, no, you're not going to let out of it. You could always cut down a piece of pipe. you just got to put your boot on. Nah, Cavalier convertible.
Like Chris said, it's always a Cavalier convertible that survived 40 years.
How does that still exist?
I don't know. How's the top still exist?
I don't know. I have no idea. I find them on Marketplace so much. It's like ridiculous. It's like...
What was that, like an 85?
Yeah, like 85 through 87, I think they made it. It's like everybody kept them thinking they were going to be a collector's item.
Apparently they are now. People are collecting them.
And most of them were two. I mean, they had V6s in some of them, and some were 4-cylinders, but...
I think we should definitely go out and get more recording clips, but that was fun. That was definitely fun. Like I said, that was totally spur of the moment. I was just like, I could nail it. Yeah, I'm nailing it.
Felt good.
Didn't nail it too hard. We didn't like go off the road.
No. It was nice spinning.
We're responsible children. At least I try to be.
Yeah.
Like neutral drop. Look how responsible we are. We have a fire extinguisher now. Buried underneath 2 tons of stuff.
God forbid we need to get to it.
Well, that's the end of this video. So far the car's driving the way it's supposed to, and hopefully it stays that way.
I hope so.
The biggest reason we had to pull the seats out of the car is because we couldn't get to the shifter bolts because of the way the hump was in the floor. But we cut that up with a pair of shears real nice. So my theory is now that I'll never have to pull the seats out again to pull the shifter out, now the shifter won't have to come out again. So that's how I look at things.
Hoping. I'm hoping it's fixed.
So
it'd be nice if it is. It's a whole lot tighter, that's for sure.
Oh yeah. So we're at my buddy Zach's house. We used his lift. This is Dad's C10. Anyway, we're gonna get out of here because sun's going down. It's deer season, and there's deer all over the place here as soon as the sun goes down. And I really don't feel like hitting one, and I don't think Chris wants to hit one either.
No.
All right, I'll see you guys later.